In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event in Mixpanel. To get started, open Mixpanel and look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your project. From there, click on Data. This section is where Mixpanel organizes the information your project is tracking, including the events that help you understand user behavior. Once you're inside the data area, click on Events. This will take you to the page where your existing events are listed. If your project already has events set up, you'll see them here. This page is useful because it gives you a central place to review and manage the events that are being tracked. Next, look for the Add option and click on it. This is the starting point for adding another event to your setup. At this stage, Mixpanel gives you a couple of choices. You may be able to select an existing event, which is helpful if the event you want is already available and you just need to add or use it. If the event you need does not already exist, click Create New to make a custom event instead. When creating a new custom event, the first thing you'll do is give it a name. Try to choose a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. A good event name should make sense not just today, but also when you come back to analyze your data in the future. Keeping names consistent can make your reporting much easier to understand. After naming the event, you'll need to add the condition that defines when your custom event should match. In Mixpanel, this means setting it up so the custom event is triggered when any of the following events happen. This step is important because it tells Mixpanel exactly what user activity should count as that event. Take a moment here to make sure the logic matches the behavior you actually want to track. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will finish the setup and add your event. And that's it. You've successfully added an event in Mixpanel. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check the event name and matching rules before saving, because even small mistakes can affect your analytics later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.